This is Project Nicky Boom, an ECD custom Defender 110 built to our client's exact specification. Nicky Boom is painted in matte Narvik black with black accents. This 110 sits on 18-inch Kahn 1983 wheels with BFG All Terrain Tires. Nicky Boom features a multi-point soft top with front roll cage, tubular A-bar front bumper, 5 rectangular mini LEDs up front, and a NAS rear bumper. Inside, Nicky Boom features a NARDI challenge steering wheel with nostalgia VT gauges, Corbeau front and mid-row seats, with 4 inward-facing jumps in the load area. Each seat is finished in a vertical double diamond Garrett Cadence Licorice leather stitched together in cream and black. Nicky Boom is powered by our 450 horsepower GM LT1 engine with 8-speed automatic transmission. This 110 features an array of modern elements such as gel audio sound, Apple CarPlay, Bluetooth and access to USB ports throughout.